Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kynhun Myntri henne kasni kala Mynjur ban Pynkynriah no ya ke police reserve bat ka district jail shanyu Shillong. Kani kawan shibenta ban Pynkynluit ya kanong ba Shillong. Habakren bat kinong thok kubor Myntri ka sarkar jilla uba po lingdo ulayathu ba ka Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ban Pynkynriah no ya ka police reserve shanyu Shillong bat ka sarkar kansas dang no shen ban Pynkynriah ban Kynluit. Ulayathu ru ba habaya de bat ka tu ka jaka ka tanat penroi sor kansa shong perkhat kumnu banle ya kani ka jaka.
Further decongest the city of Shillong, the police reserve will now be relocated at Myntri, which is under the new Shillong township. An area of 50 acres will be allotted for the creation of a new police reserve at Myntri, and this particular area will also serve as a corridor between the administrative city and the knowledge city of the new Shillong township. The cabinet has approved this particular proposal, and we will go ahead with the setting up of the police reserve, which will also help in the process of decongesting the state capital. That apart, another decision that we took today was
in that place.
Which is why we needed the cabinet's approval at today's meeting. So now that the approval has been given, work on creation of the new police reserve will start immediately.
No, in that land where existing police reserve is there, what is government plan?
The plan now is we will decongest the area. The jail will also be shifted, and we will then a proposal of what happens to the plots of land will then be put up by the Department of Urban Affairs.
And not yet decided?
No, not yet. We will first move to New Shillong and then decide on what we do with the plots of land that will be made free. Once police reserve moves out of there, the state jail will also move out, and we will then decide on what we will use with these. Because the need of the city are multiple, and those will be addressed by the department concerned.
Well,
will happen immediately. Yeah, today we first needed the approval of the cabinet to shift. Now that approval has been given, necessary measures will be taken to ensure that it is created immediately.
But any time frame fixed?
No, once we shift there, the process itself will start.
Relocation time frame fixed because you have to construct.
Yeah,
so
it will begin within the next fiscal year. Okay.